To better see the benefits of using multiple steps in a lab, let's look at a lab that has multiple steps as seen from the student perspective. So this is what a student sees when they begin a lab. And this is step 1 of the lab. And I'm going to quickly do the lab steps, and we'll see that so far I have completed 0%. That's because the steps of this lab are dependent on creating connections with the switch in the computer. So I'm going to create those connections. And notice that I completed the first connection. My completion percentage is 50%. I'm going to create the second connection. And we'll see that my completion percentage for this step is now 100%. So I've completed this step. Now let's move on to step 2 by clicking Next here. And notice we have a self-check question. These are optional, but highly recommended to reinforce learning objectives from the step that the student just completed. What is the name of the physical and logical topology just created? It's a physical star with logical switching. And we click check and we get correct. Optionally, there can be an explanation here as to why the correct answer was the correct answer. We'll click continue, and now we see the second step. The student's work is preserved and the completion goes back down to 0%. Now in this step, the student is going to perform several additional tasks, and if they complete all of them, their completion percentage will go up to, of course, 100%. I'm not going to bother doing those tasks right now, but I am going to go on and click next, so you'll see what happens then. And of course, you get an option to have another self-check question. What is the purpose of the ARP packet that was created before the ping packet? And that is to get the MAC address of computer B. And we see that that is correct. Okay, so the lab is completed, and now you have an optional quiz at the end. And the quiz can be several questions, however many questions you would like. But this does not give immediate feedback to the student like the self-check questions, so it's handled more like a traditional quiz.